Hello viewers, I did some work outside today, so I'm going to do a update to show what the yard look like now. It's in much better condition than it was before. So today I pressure washed a lot of things. I washed the table. That looks pretty nice now. I did neglect to do this side of the legs. You can see what it looked like prior, and this is what it looks like afterwards. So it was really quite dirty. I don't know, it just gets like that through the winter. And I pressure washed a lot of the tiles, and I pressure washed the bench, although I discovered shortly afterwards there is a ants freak show right there, so I have to take this bench apart and clean it off a little more thoroughly. I didn't see that when I was doing the pressure washing. And I also pressure washed the chairs, and they could really fare to be restained. So maybe I'll do that at some point. I have to get this chair onto a piece of slate or something because the legs are actually starting to rot away from sitting in the dirt. So I gotta do something about that to stop that from happening. And I pretty much finished up over here. I don't know if I'm going to do anything more to this or not. I'd like to kind of expand it over and do the whole thing, this side and over there, but I don't know if I want to put the time into it. But this is where the tree was. And that tree fell last year, it quit. So I got rid of that last year, and there was a big gaping hole here. So I put all these rocks in here instead to fill that in. And then I cleaned up all these rocks. They used to kind of look like that, and it was really junky, but it was, you know, the tree kind of was like a barrier and didn't really bother me because they weren't like part of the area. But now, without that tree there, you kind of look at the rocks for a focal point. So I cleaned them all up, and they look really nice now. So this is good. It's not what it was, you know. I kind of liked having a tree there, but that's okay. This is nice too. There is rather, a water anomaly that I discovered, and it's really causing a problem. This right here is caused by water. Water comes out there. I guess what happens is when it rains, water pools over here, and I don't really see where it goes. I don't see a hole or anything over here, but it seeps into the ground and it goes under these rocks, and then it ends up coming out right over here. And it's a lot of water. It's causing a major erosion issue. If you look over here, you can see there's a lot more dirt in here than there should be. And all this rock here, it used to look like that, and it's almost gone now. And you can see, looking at this grass, it's all bent down. It's a strong current that's coming through here when it rains. It rained a lot the other day. It was like a 1.5 inch rainstorm over the course of half an hour or so, and so it got the water flowing. And there's a major low spot here now. You can see actually where it's starting to erode from under that tile. So I don't know what to do about this. This wire used to be buried. That's totally exposed now. This root used to be exposed. Now it's a major tripping hazard. Same thing with over here. You can see it's become a tripping hazard there as well. All those roots weren't there before. So we have a major erosion issue back here, and I don't know what to do about that other than to just fill the whole thing with rocks or something, but I'm not putting the money into that, so I guess we're just gonna have to live with it as it is. Maybe I'll put some more dirt over here. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wait until it becomes more of a major issue than it is now, because I mean right now the worst that's happened is some rocks are getting covered and the stone is getting covered, but you know, when it gets to the point where there's like a big canal through the whole thing, then I'll have to do something. But anyway, so that's that. I don't recall it doing that in years past, but it's doing it now, so That's just lovely. But anyways, other than that, everything's looking quite good. Oh, the other thing I did was I got rid of those logs that were here for the chairs, which is a shame. I really liked those logs. It was kind of cool because it went with the whole natural theme, if you will. But the logs were rotten out and they had bugs in them, and oh, actually they're right over here. They got weird stuff growing on the top. I can't get it off, and so I don't know. I guess I got to scrap them. Kind of annoyed about that. I like those. So I don't know what to do about chairs around the table. I got to figure it out. But anyways, that's that. I just wanted to show what happened today and what it looked like now.